internet criticize me. When you ever, nobody know you when you're shopping. Nobody ever see you shopping. So why you come and talking about people that is living a better life than you? People who make a stand. Me never get up and be a dunce and be a little lacquerous character American. Me never get up and be a cruff. I was born in the country, raised in the ghetto, but me still not condemn myself. Why you sit down and I condemn for yourself? I live like a little damn idiot. Me have my life good. You know, some jacuzzi in a bathroom, I don't use it yet and never go inside it. Here, I don't go inside that because me not frightened feet. Some of you know that like to have a jacuzzi. Some of you know that like to have a proper house. Some of you know that like to have a proper life. Some of you know that like to live with a proper woman. You know need a proper wife, some proper kids and some proper upliftment. You know sit down every day before you look forward to make yourself better off.